Welcome to ShowMe App. ShowMe App can be a very useful app for teachers as they're trying to make a flipped classroom a reality. So, ShowMe Apps allows teachers to record the lectures for students to watch at home, and they can use their class time to inspire through groups and also project-based learning using ShowMe App. Also, as a teacher, we know that teaching is a particular subject helps you better understand yourself. So by putting ShowMe into a student's hand, teachers can learn. Teachers can use learning by teaching to help students truly understand the topic, but not just want to prepare for it. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go and log into your account. You can simply log in using your Facebook account or Twitter account. If you can also use your email address to log in your account and simply create a ShowMe account. So once you have it, then what you want to do is go and create a lecture for students. So just go to the lecture tab right here, and then a whiteboard pops out. So there are different tools you can use to make your lecture entertaining and engaging for students. For example, there are varieties of inks you can use while you're writing on the board, and also you can record your lectures. This is the record button, and this is the clear screen button. You can just like clear everything. Go back button, and this is like adding items. You can choose a picture from your device, or you can take a picture and even search from the web. You can choose various backgrounds like different colors. This is like black or lines or like square or perhaps whatever you want. And then also you can upload a file from Dropbox or Google Drive, and this is it. This is an eraser you can use while you're doing it. So let's go ahead and make a note for, let's say, for linear equations. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record my lecture so that when student goes back home, we can listen to my voice and go with the notes together with my voice, and that would help him better understand the content. So record it, and then it's linear equations, right? So let's upload a graph from website. So you can just go to linear equations, right? Go and search it, and then there are varieties of graphs you can just plug in. I prefer this one. So once you select the graph, you can resize it, you can zoom in and zoom out if you want it. You can even rotate it, and you can drag and place it wherever you want to place it. For example, I want to place it right here, and just click done. So once you're done, then start writing notes. So when I take notes, I like to use different colors that make it attractive and also engaging for students. So let's say the equation, sorry, erase it. So the linear equation is represented by y equals mx plus b, where, okay, so I'm gonna use different ink where x and y are simply the x and y coordinates. So m will be the slope and b will be the y-intercept. So since I'm done with the first page, you can change the pages. Just go on your right corner and just click a little triangular arrow, and it just pops out the other icon, and you can go and continue your lecture or continue writing your notes. So you know that. So let's say so once you No, so you can just write exercise or example 1. Find slope and y-intercept of the line y equals 2x plus 5. So answer would be m equals 2 and b equals 5. So once you're done with your notes, what you want to do is you want to go to the left corner and there is a small button which is save ShowMe, and you want to click here, and if it's a drop you want to continue later, then you can just go and click and drop. But if it's completed, you want to go and click the completed button right here. It's completed and it gives you the your notes preview. You simply want to go and save it, right? And then what's the name of your lecture? Let's say linear equations. Okay, next. It's a math, so I don't have any group right now because I haven't created it. And then you can share it on Facebook and Twitter as well. Then the next thing you want to do is go to groups and create a group so that you can share it to the students. Go start a group, write a group number, let's say tutorial, right? Create. So this is tutorial. So now you can post your lectures in the group so that other members of groups can view it. Not so, let's say from here, just like I have like linear equations and other things, so I'm gonna put this down here, right? So this is one. Moreover, what you can post it, you can create a new ShowMe lecture as well, and you can post a file from Dropbox or Google Drive as well. Let's say from Dropbox. So right here, and then I'm about to put, let's say, the picture, like let's say C programming QR code, something like let's say, so these are the solutions and other stuffs, right? And sorry, let's try Dropbox and this thing, and then let's say post right here. Let's say crafting presentations and other stuff, and it's posting right here. So let's say this is a crafting presentation. You can just go and you can put in the QR code for your answers when you upload the questions and other things, and simply share it to your group members. And so yeah, and then moreover, what you can do is there are several tutorials you can go and just check out, or you can just simply ask students to use it as a reference. So these are all the equations I created, like these are my lectures. So there are others you can go, like maths, and it pops out different other like tutorials and other stuff. So as you see, ShowMe is a very useful app for teachers, especially if they want to take online courses and also share their lectures and notes with the students. Also, by recording the notes and lectures, it will make students more easier to understand and remember things once they go back home and review it. So it is a free app, and it has different features to take notes, make it more attractive, and record your speech and all the other things. And also it can be easily shared using Facebook and website. I think it's a pretty much good app for teachers to teach using learning by teaching style. So that will help students to, as I said earlier, truly master a topic, not just prepare for it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned in for more my next tutorials. Thank